Looking for desk inspiration? Then you're in luck. If you know me, I'm literally a Pinterest addict. I've always wanted to redo my desk area, and Pinterest was my go-to. I would scroll through pins for hours and wish for the Pinterest desk of my dreams. And now, today's the day. Come along with me as I organize, clean, and transform my desk.
Okay, so the first package came in for the desk makeover, and I was gonna wait till everything came in, but I'm impatient, so you're gonna see what's in this. Hold on. Bella's here. She came to see what I was doing. Oh, you literally grabbed Bella? Are you serious? Come on, that's the first thing that you grab? She literally just grabbed dust as soon as I put her on my bed. What in the world? Oh, this is way bigger than I thought. I'm literally so glad I didn't order another one because I thought this was way too small, so I was like, let me get a bigger one. And thank God I didn't. But this is a monitor stand. She's clear, she's acrylic, she's plastic, and she's cute. So it's like cute organizer. You guys will be able to see it without the plastic on when I have it set up, but this is what I have so far, and I'll see you guys again for when I unbox the rest of the stuff. Another package. So cute. Emo Adventure Time. It's one of my favorite childhood shows. Got different boxes for different things. Got a phone stand. Oh, these are the bookends. They're huge. I didn't think they would be this big. They're gonna hold my books together that I have on my shelf. Oh. Artificial plants. They're like little people. You can kind of see them. They're little people. You'll see them on the desk. This is the pink computer mat. I forgot to include the annotation notes that I use for my books. They're so cute. They're like a plethora of different colors. And then I have this that's gonna go on the side of my brand new desktop so I can put sticky notes on it. So excited to use this. I've been wearing this forever. Pegboards. I'm not gonna take it out of the box, but that's gonna go on my wall. It's gonna look so nice. Comes with pencil holder and it's like clips and all of that. Open this. This is how we're looking before. These are just like leftover decorations. Actually, no, these are decorations from my sister that I'll be using for the rest of my room. But we're gonna go ahead, get rid of everything, and start cleaning it off. to cleaning because we're not about to put new stuff on top of test. So first, I think we're gonna start with the pink computer mat. I'm gonna start putting decorations on, and I think it's gonna be really cute. So. About 11 p.m. by the time that I have everything just done and decorated. So the Mac is set up, the decorations are up, and I will give you guys a tour as soon as possible. But I'm going to change my wallpaper on this thing because we're not keeping the default wallpaper. First things first, we're going to Pinterest. Scroll down with this mouse. Oh my god. How do people scroll down with this? Guys, I have literally made the Pinterest desk of my dreams. It looks amazing. It looks the absolute cutest, and it was worth every penny. It was worth every single penny, and I will be at this desk all day, every day. So in future videos, this desk will definitely be there, especially study vlogs. Don't even worry about it. Before this beautiful video ends, I wanted to show you guys that the turtles that you've seen in my previous videos have finally gotten a brand new tank, thanks to my dad. So thank you, Dad, if you're watching this. But I just wanted to show them the beautiful tank. That's Mikey. And there goes Bouncer. And the other one is probably behind the filter, but this is their new little home. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need any Mac organization videos, that will definitely be coming up, or iPad organization, because I'm all about it. And now that I got a brand new desktop, we'll be getting into it. So thanks for watching, and bye.